Just a short filler video. Splitting. It's a place the guy I log with and help here keeps his logs. We have to kind of vacate the premises. He's had it for years. So I'm splitting up an inordinate amount of wood, firs up to 4 foot and whatnot. But the reason is this comes off residential with the short logging trucks. As there's metal, like there's a huge spike right dead center of the tree. It's a fir, 18, 20-inch fir. See the black stain, blue stain. So I'm splitting them all up so they can go through a big Vermeer grinder. It's some big pieces here. It's a shame, but that's how it is. But the amount of metal in the ends up in residential wood's crazy. Like this, almost 3 foot across. Clothesline, there's the other piece of it. Whole mountain of wood. All that because of probably a half a pound of nails and metal, not even. It's gonna be tough beating on some of those. They're not all garbage, but most of that pile's gonna get smacked apart.